Epic Games Reality Scan is a really great photogrammetry tool that you can use on your mobile phone to capture photogrammetry scans while you're out on the go. But Reality Scan only has a few export options. When you export your photogrammetry model from Reality Scan, it exports as a GLB file. This is a great format for online use, but you may want to have an OBJ, FPX, or some other format such as an STL. We can use Blender to convert a photogrammetry scan downloaded as a GLB from Reality Scan by Epic Games. Once you've downloaded the zip file, unzip it. In Blender, go to File, Import, glTF 2.0 GLB glTF. Navigate to where your model file is. By default, it's going to pack the images. So you can uncheck Pack Images, and then it won't pack the images automatically. Then select Import GTF. You may not see it, so select View, Frame Selected. Here we have our photogrammetry scan from Epic Games Reality Scan. If you select this button at the top right, Viewport Shading, you can then see the texture on your file. Now we need to export it as our preferred format. Go to File, Export, Wavefront OBJ. Navigate to the folder that you want to save the OBJ, label it, then make sure you select Include Selection Only. That way you won't export the camera or other things in your Blender scene. Then scroll down to under Materials. By default, it's Path Mode Auto. We want to select Path Mode Copy. Then click Export Wavefront OBJ. If you navigate to the folder where you exported your OBJ, you should see an MTL file, the OBJ file, and the JPEG. Now you have successfully converted a GLB file from Epic Games Reality Scan that you made with photogrammetry into an OBJ export with an MTL, OBJ, and texture file using Blender. Happy 3D modeling!